Good afternoon, children. So, keeping that your UT that have been designed and that will be conducted in the coming week, I am just trying to give you some kind of exposure to your syllabus. So, this short writing we are going to discuss. So, short writing, in what comes under the short writing? Short writing, it's the weightage of marks is your 4 marks, right? So under the short writing there comes notice writing. Notice writing is there, and then there is advertisement. Advertisement is of two type, that is classified and display. This is one, notice writing, advertisement is second, third is your poster making, and fourth is your invitations and replies. So these are your short writing. Short writing, once I can tell you, short writing is one writing where it doesn't allow you much of space to think more and imagine more, right? Whatever the instruction is given, you need to follow it and you need to convey the idea in a very limited words, right? Here you do not have much space to explore and imagine and to be more creative, because it's short writing, so the word limit is a very important issue over here, and you cannot exceed the word limit, because if you do that you will be penalized, and you can go on being more creative and imaginative, and you can show more of your writing skill in your long composition. So here it is short composition. Short composition weightage is of 4 marks, and this mainly four type of question comes into this. But today what we are going to discuss in this lecture is only notice writing, right? So in each of my coming videos I will be taking one by one your topic, the different topics of the short composition. So today I will be discussing mainly about notice writing. So first let us understand this notice writing, right? What is the idea behind asking a question or giving a question on notice writing? Let us understand what is this notice writing is about. So notice writing, notice writing, as the name says, it is to be notified that the notice is to be brought under the consideration or into the information of other people, lot of people, other crowds, and that's why we need to write notice. So let us understand notice writing from the school campus itself, because of most of the notice writing which comes, more than half of the notice writing comes for the notice to be written for the school notice board. So let us understand here first that what is this notice writing. Notice writing, suppose in a school, let us take the example of our school. Like our school has we are very strong in terms of strength, right? We have huge strength. So suppose a particular student wants to say something. Suppose we have a separate block for class 11th and 12th, right? So there are so many sections, there are thousands of students into this block. So one particular child of class 12 has to say something for the rest of the students of class 11th and 12th. So he is left with what means. How he is going to convey his message? Will he go to each student particularly to convey that, I need to tell you one thing? No, because this is practically it is not possible. One student cannot reach out to all children, all 2,000, 3,000 children. So for that reason, in every block or institution or organization or a community hall, there is a particular place, and that place there is a notice board. And this notice board is placed in such a corner from where either at the entrance or at some place from where all the people, they pass through that, and which is very easily noticed and that place is generally decided for notice corner, notice board. So let us understand this. Suppose a boy, the sports captain, suppose there is a boy in your school of class 10, he is a sports captain, and some DP of our school has asked him that there would be a match, and he need to write a notice and need to inform all of the children about the particular, about the venue, about the selection of the team, about the process of the selection and all that. So how he is going to do? So he will write a notice, right? He will write a notice, and that notice he will put on the notice board, and that is how all the students will get to know that there is a particular notice, and on such and such date, a particular event is going to be organized, and that's why and the process of participation is given. So whosoever is willing would go and participate in it. So that's why this is the concept of notice writing. Now let us come out from the school campus. Suppose there is some apartment in Gurgaon or Delhi or Noida somewhere, even in Rewari or somewhere. So like there is a particular, the president of that apartment, he needs to inform all the families, all the people, all the residents living in that apartment that on Sunday, they are having a get together to discuss about some creative program about the children of that apartment. So the president, what he would do, he would not visit all the houses. He would not go to talk to all the people, that I am deciding this, I need to do this. So what he would do, in that apartment, of course, there would be a corner where the notices are put up for bringing into the notice of other people. So he would go and he would put up a notice, right, that we need to discuss about some creative program for the children. So all the people are invited on such and such date, right, into that community hall, and where we will discuss how to make a very healthy and a competitive and creative kind of program for the children. So that is the main purpose of writing notice, right? So that one person, through the notice, one person is connected to thousands of people, and for this reason, only what he has to do, he will write only a notice and he will put up it on a notice board, and then that is how the rest of the people would get to know. So this is something I have, discussed the purpose of writing the notice and why a notice is written and how it is to be written. Now let us get into the process of writing notice, that how a notice is to be written. Since it's a short notice, and it is also understood that all the people who are coming to get to see the notice, so they need to understand it, like it must be written in such a simple language, right, so that everyone should be able to understand it. And that's why there are some very important component and parts of it. It should be written in a very legible handwriting, right? The date on which the notice is written, that is to be neatly written. There must be a heading, right? Heading is very important because people may not be interested, because the same notice may not be for all the people, all the children. So if like at a glance, if someone gets to see the heading, so he will understand whether the notice is for the interest, for his or her interest. If he finds the heading is for his or her interest, he will stop there to read the notice. Otherwise, he will not stop to read it. So that's why the heading should be very important, very prompt, and very appropriate for the content of the notice. So now let us talk about this notice writing. How can we attempt the notice writing? Suppose the answers which you get for the writing the notice, first I would advise you that you must attempt notice in a full page, right, in complete page, and you must not take it for the next page. Half you have written here, half you have written there. So there you cannot enclose the box, and the entire notice is to be enclosed inside a box. That's why the first information that you have to keep in your mind is that the notice must be written in one complete page, and you need to make a box. right? And I would suggest that, you know, when you make the box, you make it with pencil, so that as and when, you know, you need to make it short, you need to enlarge it, you need to expand it, you can do it as per your convenience. At the top, first of all, you know what comes? There comes the name of school. If the notice is to be written for some school, so the name of the school comes, or some apartment, or some community hall, or some other area, right? So here you write name of school, or some institute is there, so you will write the name of that institute. If that apartment is there, so you will write the name of that apartment, whatsoever. And after that, you write the name of place where that apartment, where that institute, where that school is situated. Suppose let us take example for Mandarin. Here, right? This is the first line you need to write. If it is possible, you can write in caps. Otherwise, the first letter of each word you must write in capital letter. The next word that is followed after it, you need to write the word notice. This word you need to write notice, right? And after that, you need to write that date. Date coming to the left top, you know, extreme left hand top, you need to write. Suppose 18th is there, so 18th of this April 2020. So there is a particular way of writing this. Or you can write, you know, this way. There is another way. April, there are so many ways. April 18, 2020. There are so many ways. You can choose any one, and there is no need to underline, right? There is no need to underline. Though I have underlined it, there is no need to underline. Any one way you will write, but you will not write in called that you know, that 18 and 4 and 20 20. No. After this, next line you write the heading. Whatever the notice is given, as for the content, you know, doing justice to the content in question, you need to think of a nice heading and you write it. And the heading, you know, should not be more than, that should be very short. You need to maximum go on words, like 1, 2, 3 maximum. It will not be a sentence. This you keep in your mind. Now some of the lines I am going to give you. Some of the lines I am going to give you. With that line you can start, or if in your mind there are some other good lines, so you can start with those other good lines, right? So I am giving you some lines. You can use one of the lines from here, or you may use some other lines. Through this notice, it is to be informed. So this is the first line. You can choose this line, you know. Through this notice, it is to be informed that. This is one line, right? You can start with a line like this. Through this notice, it is to be informed that. After that you can follow. Or for a starter, these are the starter. You can write, I am giving you the starter. These are the starter. Hereby, it is to be informed to all the students. If it is meant for students, so you will write students, right? If it is for residents, so you will write for residents. If it is for the anything, so you will change these words. So this is the second starter I have given. Hereby it is to inform to all the students and residents that. This is the second. Or one more you can do. It is to be notified that, right? So these are the three I have given. So any of these three starter you can use for writing the notice. The first is through this notice, it is to be informed that you can go on after writing whatever. After that, hereby it is to be informed to all the students. If the notice is meant for the students, you write students. If it is meant for the residents, you write residents. That, or it is to be notified that. So this is the first line I have given. So from here you can choose any of the lines. Now I am going for the further part, the next line. This was the first line, right? So that you know, on the basis of this, you can think of your own. So this was the starter, first line. Now middle line, from here that till that all we have come here. There through this notice it is to be informed that, or hereby it is to be informed to all the students or residents that, it is to be notified that. Now from that I am continuing that there would be conducted or held or organized. What? So you understand, any of these three you can choose and then you can continue from here. So this is one point number, this is from 2, you can start from here. That there would be conducted or held or organized what? Whatever a quiz or annual function or excursion, right? Excursion on, you need to write the date, on whatever the date you would do, that you need to write this, right? And excursion on that, if it is there, and you need to, this is date, you need to place the value also and the time into that. Now the third point I am going to give you, in the continuation of that, the third point you can write, you know, those who are willing should talk to their in charges latest by, you need to write a date, in charges this, and get themselves enrolled for it. And fourth point, you can write, you can add some, you know, you can add one more point in the last. You can hear something, you can imagine some, invent some more ideas. Invent some more ideas on the topic. And the fifth one, you would write, you know, that for further query, contact undersigned. And so these are the 5 points you are going to include, and after that, at the end of this, you need to write your name, signature, and below that you are going to write your designation, right? And then you close the box. So that is, with all these points, you know, I have already given. So what was the first point? First point for the starter, I have given you 3 points. That through this notice it is to be informed. So from there, any one you can take. Then you go this, you can make as a second point, that there would be conducted or held or organized a quiz or annual function, excursion on date and venue and time. Third point you can take for this kind of idea, you can write, those who are willing should talk to their in charges and get themselves enrolled for it. latest by, you can write here the date. Latest by, you can put a date, deadline, that before that they need to contact. And the last fourth point, you can add, you can invent some idea, more some line you can add. And the last, for further inquiry, query, contact, undersign, and signature and designation, you need to close the box. But at the same time, all these points I have given, but at the same time you need to take care of the word limits, that it must not exceed 50 words, right? Because that is the maximum limit. So on this way you can have all this thing, and I don't think that you would need all this thing, because you people have been writing it since very beginning classes. So I think all you people can write up, but still I have given all this thing because this will help you to think for a nice notice writing. So based on this, you need to practice 2 to 3 notice writing. Thank you and God bless you.